We'll guide you through how to emboss text onto curved objects in Blender. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Let's get started. First, open Blender and make sure you have your curved object ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a sphere. I'll go to Mesh and add a UV sphere. And just press S to resize it to my liking, and just right click on the mesh and choose to set auto smooth so it looks smooth. And once that we have done that, we can just go ahead and add our text. So just go to the add at the top and choose text. And now place the text where you want the embossing to appear. So just use the move and rotate tools until it is in your desired position. And once you are happy with how it looks, just go ahead and press the tab key on the keyboard and just press the backspace key to delete the text and add any text that you want. So let's say I want to add GuideRealm. And after that, just go to object mode by pressing tab key and use the move tools so it is in front of the object, just like so. And once you have done that, just go ahead and right click on your text and convert it to mesh. And after that, just go to the edit mode by pressing tab key and you will see it currently has many vertices. Now to reduce it, just press the tab key to go to object mode and go to modifiers panel. And just add a modifier, and in the search bar, just search for decimate. And you will see now it currently has 853 face count. Set it to planar and you will see it will be reduced to 16. So just click on the little arrow icon and choose to apply it. And after applying, when we go to edit mode, you will see now we have successfully cleaned it many more. And now just press the tab key, and once the text object is selected, just go to the modifier and add a modifier. In the search bar, just search for shrink wrap and set the target object to sphere. Now you will see it looks a bit weird, so make sure to click on the drop down for wrap method and set it to project, just like so. Now you will see it will not be wrapped, so to wrap it, make sure to set it to negative, and once you have done that, just go ahead and click on the drop down and click on apply. Now you will see it will be successfully wrapped. Now let's add a bit more thickness to our text. Just click on the add modifier and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for solidify. And now increase the thickness a little bit, just like so, and increase the offset until the text reaches out of the curved object. And once you're happy with how it looks, just go ahead and click on the little drop down and choose to apply it. Now we will combine the text with the object. Just select the main curved object and go to the modifiers tab and choose to add a modifier. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for Boolean modifier and set it to union. And set the target object to text, just like so. And once you have done that, just go ahead and click on the little drop down and choose to apply it. And once applied, you will see now it looks a bit weird. Just go ahead and select your main text and now press X key on the keyboard and choose to delete it. And now you will see we have successfully embossed our text into a curved object in Blender. And that's it. That's how you emboss text onto a curved object in Blender step by step.